The robot can move back and forth between all destinations on the map, and the advertisement screen on the body can play the configured advertisements in loop. You can set up tracks in advance. Then the robot will follow the track path for cruising as close as possible. Click on the map to enter the editing interface. Click Track to set it up. Click on the white area of the map, connecting multiple points to form a track as needed. Enter the cruise interface. Click Go. Then the robot can cruise between all destinations on the map. Double-tap the screen and input the password to cancel the task.